You've seen the messages. Maybe you've even received one yourself. Easy work from home. Just like, share, and earn $500 a day. Or maybe it's a little more sophisticated. Product reviewer needed, no experience required, paid weekly. Sounds almost too good to be true, right? Well, that's because it absolutely is. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on who's really running these easy work scams, and the answer will genuinely surprise you. Let's start at the surface. These scams typically appear on WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram DMs, or shady job boards. The pitch is always the same formula. Low effort, high reward, urgent opportunity. You don't need qualifications, you don't need experience. You just need to send us your bank details first. Classic. But who's actually on the other side of that message? In most cases, these operations are run by highly organized criminal syndicates, primarily based out of Southeast Asia, particularly in regions of Myanmar, Cambodia, and Laos. And here's where it gets genuinely dark. Many of these scam operations aren't just run by willing criminals. They're actually staffed by trafficking victims. People who were lured with promises of legitimate jobs abroad, then had their passports confiscated and were forced to run scams under threat of violence. It's called pig butchering fraud, and it's a multi-billion-dollar global industry. The operation works in layers. At the top, you have organized crime bosses, often with political protection in lawless border regions. Below them, tech teams build convincing fake platforms and apps. Then come the social engineers, trained workers, sometimes against their will, who send thousands of messages daily, building fake relationships before moving in for the financial kill. The money itself, it moves through a labyrinth of cryptocurrency wallets, shell companies, and money mules, often ordinary people who were themselves scammed into forwarding funds, unknowingly becoming part of the crime. Law enforcement in these regions is complicated. Jurisdictional nightmares, corruption, and the sheer speed of the internet mean that by the time investigators trace a fraud cell, the operation has already moved 3 countries over and changed its name. So what can you do? First, if something promises easy money with zero skill required, run. Real remote work involves real skills. Second, never pay up front for a job. Legitimate employers don't charge you to work for them. Third, if you're chatting with someone who seems suspiciously perfect and slowly steers every conversation toward investment opportunities, you're being butchered. Block and report immediately. Now, here's the thing about staying safe online. It's not just about knowing the scams. It's about protecting your identity and your digital footprint before the scammers even find you. Which brings me to something I genuinely recommend checking out. There's a link in the description for a highly rated identity protection and document shredder kit on Amazon. Because you know what scammers love almost as much as your bank account. Your physical mail and documents, old credit card statements, pre-approved loan offers, medical bills, all of that is gold to identity thieves. A good cross-cut shredder turns your sensitive paperwork into confetti. And trust me, not even the most sophisticated Southeast Asian fraud syndicate can reassemble your electric bill from 200 tiny pieces of paper. It's honestly the most unglamorous cybersecurity tool in existence, but it works. Think of it as offline protection for your online life. Link is down below. Back to the scammers. The uncomfortable truth is that these operations are growing, and they're getting smarter. AI is now being used to generate fake voices, fake faces, and fake video calls. The barrier to entry for scamming is dropping while the sophistication is rising. The best weapon you have is knowledge. Talk to your parents, your grandparents, your friends who still think someone in Nigeria genuinely wants to share a fortune with them. No legitimate job will ever slide into your DMs, promising $800 a day for clicking buttons. Stay skeptical, stay safe, and maybe go shred something. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute financial or medical advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines or financial planning.